Welcome back to the channel. We've looked at the 10-minute tune-up. We've looked at a dyno tune on a totally stock car. Now let's put those things together and look at what we get by putting both the 10-minute tune-up and a dyno tune together. So what that's going to involve is we've got the air silencer removed. We're going to put a dyno tune on it, and because we've had a look at whether we get the best result from adding timing in software or adding timing on the distributor, we're going to add the timing in the software, and we're going to see what we get for the whole package. Let's start by looking at how far we've come with this car. When I got it, it was a garage find that had been sitting around for ages. Lots of little things had deteriorated on the car, including every part of the cooling system and the portion of the fuel line that's in the tank. I worked through most of these problems and got to a stage where I could finally get an initial dyno test, and that test revealed the fuel system problem. But I had actually driven the car a little bit like this and had a pretty poor first impression. This chart shows how far the car has come from that initial test, which is a gain of over 50 wheel horsepower and 40 foot-pounds at the wheels. That's a lot. It makes for a totally different driving experience. This chart compares the results of the tune-up work versus the car in a truly serviceable stock form. You can see that with the tune-up parts, air silencer removal, and a dyno tune, the car picked up over 10 wheel horsepower and over 12 wheel foot-pounds, and that these gains were felt right across the board. In percentage terms, the tune-up exercise improved power by 7% and torque by 6.3%. I'd say that isn't too bad for what's essentially still a stock Mustang. Do you have ideas for other dyno comparisons that you want to see on this essentially stock Foxbody Mustang? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, and we'll see what we can do about it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos.